All right, ladies and lads, we are back again at the track. I don't like this place for a few reasons. Dad, why don't we like this place? Or why don't I like this place? Do you know?
Just playing bumper pool on the wall.
Oh, so
last time out here.
Yeah, so last time we came out here, I was off the wall in that one. So let's hope we don't do that again. I'm not driving today.
I don't want it.
Yeah, let's hope we don't do that again. I'm not driving, so the chances
so
very
we're safe.
Yeah, chances are a lot lower now, or a lot, yeah.
Yeah, a lot lower.
Yeah, but we're right here at Fayetteville. We got the nice and pretty Corvette. We what did we do? What was wrong with it? Why did it pop?
Oh God.
Why did it pop?
I don't even know. I mean, the ground, the main ground was broken, so it was hit and miss making a connection.
Yeah.
So that got fixed. A lot of wires got pulled out of it.
How many feet of wire?
20 feet of wire got pulled out as far as didn't need to be there. Which, I mean, like I said, you know, there was speaker wire literally for
the bump should never have worked.
The bump should have never worked.
And
it's
the trans
literally
brake.
Speaker wire on it.
Yeah.
I don't understand, but anyway.
Yeah. So that's all fixed. Courtesy of
fixed on the car.
Coleman Heath helped us out there.
Coleman Heath.
Yep.
Thanks, Coleman Heath. We'll see what it does say. We don't know. We'll find out.
Yeah, I mean,
it sounds good. Comes up on a two-step good. So.
Well, yeah, for the most part.
I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah, I mean, I attempted to do a burnout and it kind of worked. I didn't mean to do a burnout.
poor Coleman's driveway.
Yeah, I was trying to bump and I didn't double click it and kind of like did that on the button and it just went. Whoa.
He threw gravel everywhere.
Yeah. Hey, I didn't throw it on anyone's car. Well, I threw it under our car, but
threw it in his garage.
Yeah, but you know what? It's okay. It's okay.
He didn't.
No. So we're here. Actually, Devin's coming out here.
Yeah, Devin's
Yeah, our crew guy's coming out here. He's gonna be running his truck for the first time after doing all of his chassis changes, and
even
then
with a broke hand.
Yeah, but he's gonna drive it. Hopefully, all goes well. Then his wife will get in it. So that should be quality content. So we're just gonna wipe it down because this pig's a little hideous right now. I don't know who would make it so hideous.
It was disgusting.
But we're gonna.
It's good.
Yeah, we're gonna get it all clean, get the thing all warmed up soon. I don't know when, but I think that's it. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.
You hear me? God almighty. That sounded wicked out here. It bumped good.
Yeah, it bumped real good. I did it twice. I didn't mean to. My bad. Dude! Hey, YouTube, what y'all think about that one?
Huh?
I said, YouTube, what you think about that one?
Oh, you on?
Yeah, it's right here. Still on.
That sounded rowdy.
Dude! crap. All right, what? All right, what went on there?
That you do.
Well, blew the tires off it, and then let it gather itself, and then eased into it. We got a hot rod, fellas.
That thing.
Thank you, Mr. Coleman Heath.
Yeah, oh, he knows how to sling some wire.
He does.
Also, I didn't even know he changed our dry shaft sensor. We got a dry shaft sensor. It's the small things.
Who knew? I mean, it did. It feel. I tell you what, we got a hot rod. That little thing will go now.
Now, the only problem we had on that run, so a little tuning advice on our blue car, there's no timing retard. So that wasn't on my thought when we went up there. So I'm screwing up. It's my third time doing this video. So on our blue car we have no timer retard. So I didn't really think about it on this one. Well, he took off all base timing, and it was a little spicy on the timing.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So I put a timer.
No way of hooking.
Yeah, I put a timer retard in it, and we're gonna see. So yeah, I'm excited.
I am too. It ran well. It spit a little bit of water out.
Yeah, I think the radiator's too full.
Yeah, it's not no more. But.
Yeah. So we're gonna go up here, get Devin's pass. We're going up to the lanes right now, and we're excited. What does that say?
Yeah.
How rude! How rude!
Show him the McLaren.
The McLaren. Oh yeah, I gotta show you this McLaren. Hold on.
Oh, he's gone. He already.
Anything for the people on YouTube? Nothing.
Hopefully we get a 5.
There you go.
It'll be a little hard with his hand. But
Yeah. Don't push it.
only 12. We're good. Way good.
Bam.
Mind over matter.
Oh yeah.
That hand does not matter.
Nope. Doesn't hurt either.
That thing was strong. No kidding. All right, guys. So we're down here spectating.
As usual.
Yeah, we're pretty good at that, aren't we? But no, we're not gonna run it again. I mean, as you saw in that last pass, we obliterated the tires. Come to find out, didn't realize this on the first pass. We're separating.
Like a radio.
Yeah,
car.
we're separating like a radio.
A little bit.
I mean, it's only like inch and a half, but I mean, we need to be squatting, not separating.
Yeah.
So
we got the chassis wrong.
yeah, we got the. We need to.
We don't have the chassis wrong. Chassis was.
No, we that's how we put it. Yeah, because they had.
We did,
yeah, we might need to put it back the way it was,
did that.
or
yeah.
we'll do.
We just got to get chassis right.
Yeah,
We'll get it right next week.
Yeah, so we're not gonna make any more passes. That car is a lot more powerful than what it was at Glot. A lot more.
It's a lot more powerful than I thought.
Yes.
It's coming fast.
Yes. Yes, it is.
Surprisingly fast.
Yeah. So yeah. So we're just gonna go back, fix our wounds.
Load up, go home.
But
we're good at.
We're really happy with it. So
yeah, this was a good testing tune. We found some things out. That car's gonna be fast.
We just gotta get it figured out. We gotta put the.
Very impressed with the power it had.
Yes.
With little bit I felt.
Yeah, we just gotta put it to the ground because now we don't even know about the when it shifts. We don't know if that problem's fixed or not because it wouldn't pull after it shifted. It was just.
Oh no, it did. I shifted it.
It hit the pull. Oh, okay. Well, never mind. Yeah.
That's what impressed me. As soon as I hit high gear, I hit it a few times. It kept blowing the tires off all the way down to the 8.
Man. Well, that's a good problem. That means we got power.
Oh, there's a lot of power there.
Yeah, that's good. Hey, it's just a little stock block, right?
Stock block, 408.
Oh, yeah. So we're gonna end down on that one, and it was a pretty good day for us. So next weekend we'll be at Rockingham with the blue car, weather permitting. But we'll catch you guys in the next one, and comment, like, or subscribe. Let us know what you think. Let us know how you feel. If we should do anything different. But
that's our Corvette in the background. Did you hear that?
yeah, that ripping. But we'll catch you guys in the next one. I'll see you.